have seen that with the age, our skin ages a little bit. Sometimes with the increasing age, it ages a little bit faster. But have we really thought about it, why our skin ages? I am Dr. Shrayan, consultant dermatologist, tricolorist and aesthetician based out of Kolkata. Let's talk about why our skin ages and what we can do about it. Our skin has cells like any other part of the body, and like all other cells of the body, it slowly goes through a DNA damage, and with younger age there comes a specific enzyme which is called Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide, that is NAD, which helps the cell to get more energy and for the DNA repair, so our skin and all the organ of the body looks more youthful. With the age, we have seen there is a decrease in the NAD levels of the body, and eventually our skin loses its ability to repair all the cells, and one by one the cells die and all the organs including our skin ages. Now the question comes, what can we do about it? There have been a lot of discussions about the natural remedies and the ways of increasing or boosting the NAD production or NAD levels, or keeping them to the youthful levels like younger age. The common things are dietary changes like taking fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, more dairy and meat products, and also exercises are very important for that. However, recently, as the science is advancing, we are getting into the exogenous NAD therapy. Recently, the researchers have found extremely impressive improvement with the injectable and oral NAD therapies. And those NAD therapies, obviously, if you can continue it along with the other things like proper diet and exercise and the basic skincare, have been proven to be very important in the reduction of the reduction of the fine lines and in general the signs of aging of the skin, including the pigmentation, including the laxity. So the IV NAD therapies are a little bit difficult to maintain. However, very recently some of the brands have come up with the oral NAD therapies. The oral NAD therapies are actually proper anti-aging therapy that will reduce your cellular age. It will not only make your skin look younger, or it will not only make your skin and your body parts feel more younger, it will actually be effective as an anti-aging and somewhat even reversal of aging too, if it is taken in the long term. I prescribe my patients the oral NAD therapies, and till now I have seen a great response even in the short period. Some of the patients who have also done their part in the topical and other therapies for the reduction of the signs of aging, they are seeing an additional boost in their appearance with the NAD therapy. That is the importance of the NAD therapy, and this was a part of the discussion that I wanted to do for the recent advances in the anti-aging therapies.